What is the best way to manage your work? This is a question that many people ask themselves, especially those who are in charge of projects or teams. One popular option is to use Smartsheet. But what exactly is Smartsheet and what do people use it for? In this video, we will answer these questions and more. We will also provide you with some tips on how to get started using Smartsheet. What is Smartsheet? Smartsheet is a cloud-based software application that helps you manage your work. It is a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of purposes, including project management, task management, team collaboration, workflow automation, document management. Smartsheet is easy to use and can be customized to meet your specific needs. It is also available on a variety of devices, including computers, tablets, and smartphones. What do people use Smartsheet for? As we mentioned earlier, Smartsheet can be used for a variety of purposes. Here are a few examples. Project management. Smartsheet can help you track the progress of your projects, manage your team's workload, and identify any potential risks or issues. Task management. Smartsheet can help you break down large tasks into smaller, more manageable tasks. You can also use it to track your progress on tasks and assign tasks to team members. Team collaboration. Smartsheet can help you collaborate with your team members on projects and tasks. You can share files, leave comments, and assign tasks to each other. Workflow automation. Smartsheet can help you automate repetitive tasks, such as sending emails or creating reports. Document management. Smartsheet can help you store and organize your documents. You can also use it to share documents with other people. How to get started using Smartsheet. If you're interested in using Smartsheet, here are a few tips to get started. Sign up for a free trial. Create a new sheet. Add columns and rows to your sheet. Enter data into your sheet. Use the Smartsheet features to customize your sheet and make it work for you. Once you're up and running, you'll find that Smartsheet is a powerful tool that can help you manage your work more efficiently. Smartsheet is a great tool for managing your work. It is easy to use, powerful, and customizable. If you're looking for a way to improve your productivity, I highly recommend giving Smartsheet a try. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.